Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Google Chrome, open it. Now choose a profile. Now open the canva.com website. You can use google.com or just you can write URL box in canva.com. After opening the website, just log in with the Gmail account. It's free. You can use your Gmail account to log in on canva.com. Then go to create design option, click on here. Now in the search box type YouTube banner. When you will type YouTube, you will see the YouTube banner option. Click on it. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred suggestions and unique templates which you can use in your YouTube banner. It's totally free. And just type what type of banner you want to make. For example, I want to make a gaming YouTube banner, so I will search gaming and you can see the suggestions. It's really super dope and unique at the same time. So I would like this one, or I guess this one look more cool, or this one. Okay, after selecting your template, just go to the template and you can change the text as well as. So I will type RN gaming. You can also change the text color. Just select the text and go to this option A and change the color in whatever you want to do. Okay, so it's changed to yellow color. You can also change the text of the size of the text by minimizing and maximizing it, and you can change as well as the text font by clicking over here and change according to your need. It looks super cool and you got hundred font suggestions. Okay, this looks more cool. After making your YouTube banner, just go to share option and click on download, and your select the maximum size and download your YouTube banner, and your YouTube banner will be downloaded. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.